everybody, I'm Emily. Welcome back to my channel. Now I have taken the packet ferry to another local island in Maldives, Thulusdhoo. This time I decided to have the walking style to book my accommodation, for there are some homestays which are not in the OTG. So this is the first homestay I stayed. It's very clean, and also I love the bathroom. It looks like very modern. And the price is relatively cheap, like $30. In Thulusdhoo, it is still raining, but I don't want to waste my time. I will take my little fishing pole, like this one, really small, and with my waterproof bag to see whether I can encounter some small fishes, or luckily I can see so many dolphins. They jumping around because I have checked out some information in the early morning. They will come out to play. So good luck. So many people out there. Yesterday, my homestay boss told me that they would have another very beautiful beachfront homestay. Maybe I guess it's this one. It looks nice. Just overlooking the sea. Oh, be careful. There are so many strollers. I feel the wind so strong. A little bit scared. Fishes gather here. The resources are super good, and my friend took a video of the underwater side. Please enjoy. Today is Friday, the off day for the construction workers from India. These local people, I really envy them because they do not depend on the fishing pole. They can just get the beautiful fishes. Amazing. See how they do this? I just can't copy. People often got the fish, but I don't know the name of this. Anybody can tell me? Back to the hostel, I tried to get in touch with the diving shop to see if I can have any fishing excursions. Hello.
Let us discuss.
He gave me like $20 yesterday.
Okay.
But I prefer rupiah.
Oh, we only take dollar. If it's not strong wind, we still can go out. If it's very strong, then we don't go. Okay.
So you will go diving and someone will snorkeling. I will stay on the boat.
Yes.
Fishing.
There's someone on the boat and I can help you. Okay.
Okay, thank you. So just now I checked in the diving shop. They said today the waves are too big and strong on the rough. Maybe they will cancel the excursion. But it depends. So I have to go back to check and confirm again in the diving shop at 2 p.m. Oh my god, the waves out there are so strong. You can hear the roar, right? That's the reason why so many people come to Thulusdhoo to surfing. Basically speaking, Thulusdhoo and the Hura, they do have different styles. I think Thulusdhoo is much bigger and also busier. Everywhere you can see the bike so that they can do the transport on this island. At 2 p.m. the rain was like pouring, no chance there to do the excursions, but I double checked with the diving shop, it was cancelled. So I had to wait like 3 or 4 hours waiting for the rain to come down. Finally, I went outside to have an island tour around. Actually, when this is in a sunny day, it will be super beautiful, especially this part of the island. This little pavilion connecting the small island, and you can even find a small swimming pool and like this. How nice! Wow! Come on, little pool in the small lagoon. Like adventure. Come on. Oh, I think I will get something exciting. Come on. I get ready to feel it. So these people are watching the surface, riding the waves. One day after, it finally cleared up, but I had to leave Thulusdhoo and take a public ferry back to Malé and then heading to another local island. But on the way, I witnessed so beautiful the sea. Actually, it was near the very 6-star resort, Gili Lanka Fuji, I guess. and I really want to dive into the water. It's amazing. So if you want to know more about the local islands in Maldives, you can subscribe to me. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.